Top 10 cheapest vintage cars. Number 1, Jeep Commando, 1973 year of issue. (1973) Jeep Commando 4x4. Has the original engine and transmission. Engine is stuck. Jeep has been sitting for many years. Body has rust, no title. Asking $1,850, located in Thief River Falls, Minnesota. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 2, Chevrolet Monte Carlo. (1977 year of issue). (1977) Chevy Monte Carlo 2-door hardtop sport coupe. Has its original 350 V8 engine. Engine is stuck. Car has a lot of rust on the body. Frame condition is unknown. Clean title. Asking $1,800. Located in Thief River Falls, Minnesota. Number 3, Pontiac Bonneville. (1963 year of issue). Two-door hardtop. What you see is what you get. No motor, transmission, or hood. Interior stripped. Floor pans appear to be solid. Body in nice shape. Would make a great project car. Clean title. Asking $1,750. Located in Thief River Falls, Minnesota. Number 4, Dodge D200. 1972 year of issue. (1972) Dodge D200 3/4 ton 2WD pickup. Has the 318 V8. Motor is most likely stuck. We have not tried starting it. Body has rust. Floors are gone, truck is 99% complete. No title. Asking $2,000. Located in Thief River Falls, Minnesota. Number 5. Ford F-250. 1974 year of issue. Ford F. $254 X4. Has the 360 V8 with an automatic transmission. Motor is likely stuck as this truck has not seen pavement in years. Body is pretty rusty, would make a good donor truck. No title. Asking $2,000. Located in Thief River Falls, Minnesota. Number 6. Pontiac Bonneville. 1964 year of issue. '64 Pontiac Bonneville 2-door hardtop. The motor and transmission were stripped. The rest of the car appears to be complete. Body has some rust. Not perfect, but not the worst I've seen. No title. Asking $2,000, located in Thief River Falls, Minnesota. Number 7. Ford F-250, 1976 year of issue. '76 Ford F-254 X4 Highboy pickup. VIN F-26 pickup. Has a V8 engine and 3-speed manual transmission. Will run in yard drive but has not run this year. Bring a winch to load. Body is rough. Driver door swapped out at some point. Clean title. Asking $2,500. located in Thief River Falls. Number 8. Lincoln Premier. (1976 year of issue). 1956 Lincoln Premier 2-door hardtop. Has the original 368 V8 engine. Motor is stuck. Body had some rust. Unknown frame condition, no title. Asking $2,500. Located in Thief River Falls, Number 9. MG MGB. (1968 year of issue). You are looking at a super little project 1968 MGB Roadster. It has a traditional 4CLD engine with 4-speed manual transmission. There are 2 of them. The one pictured is $1,500 and a good parts car can be had for another $1,000. Number 10. Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Brougham. (1978 year of issue). Has the 260 V8 engine. We have not tried starting it. Body has some damage. I couldn't get in the trunk because the keys, ignition are gone. No title. Asking $1,500. Located in Thief River Falls, Minnesota. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot.